Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a transparent logo in the Canva. So procedure is pretty simple. You can do it on your mobile or on your laptop or the computer, or all versions are the available. So if you know logos are always transparent, you can also do it on the Canva. So let's start the video. Simply you have to click on the create a new design and go to the logo from here. Transparent logo is about you don't have background with your logo, so you can easily do it on the Canva. Select any logo of yours, like I select this logo, and you can simply click on the download. One more thing, to do this you need a Canva version. So if you have a pro version, you will simply click on the transparent background, and once you will click on the transparent background, when you will download this on your device, you will only get these things, you will not get any background. So this is the procedure to get the transparent logo on the Canva. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.